Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Fiat 500 radio. It is a common issue for the radio to become locked, often displaying code or safe on the screen, especially after the car's battery has been disconnected or replaced. To get your radio working again, you will need to locate and enter a unique 4-digit security code. This process is straightforward once you have the correct information at hand, allowing you to enjoy your music once more. Finding your radio code is the first crucial step. Often, this 4-digit code is printed on a small card within your car's owner's manual, or sometimes directly on a sticker inside the glove compartment or even on the fuse box cover. If you cannot find it there, you might need to carefully remove the radio to locate a label on the unit itself, which will display the radio's serial number. This serial number is vital if you need to retrieve the code from a dealership or an online service. Once you have your 4-digit code, entering it is quite simple. First, turn on your car's ignition and then power on the radio. The display should show code or 4 blank dashes, prompting you for input. You will typically use the radio's preset buttons, usually labeled 1 through 4, to enter each digit of your code. For example, press button 1 repeatedly to cycle through numbers for the first digit, then button 2 for the second, and so on. After entering all 4 digits, press a confirmation button, often the OK or scan button, to unlock the radio. If you have searched everywhere and still cannot find your radio code, do not worry, there are still options. Your best bet is to contact a Fiat dealership. Provide them with your vehicle identification number, or VIN, and they can usually retrieve the original radio code for you. Alternatively, several reputable online services can generate the code if you provide them with your radio's serial number. This serial number is typically found on a sticker on the radio unit itself, which might require carefully removing the radio from the dashboard to access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.